Let's not wait a year.
We're heading out. We're at a cafe for the sleep moments. Hi! The train finally arrives. Guys, I just arrived Penn Station. Haven't come to New York for a long time. Lunch with Zoe. We're at a cafe and then Zoe's gonna work on video.
Graphics.
Oh, graphics.
Yeah,
I'm gonna have a meeting soon. I got this recently.
Oh my god, that's so
So funny.
I feel so bad. I got it.
I love the oranges. This is really cute. Oh my god. This is the hair clips. New Year resolution on here.
Hi. It's Tamsin and Eugene here. Cheers.
Cheers. We're heading out. The color is really good.
It's like so nice right now. Oh. Wait, the quality is so good. I know.
Right? Oh my god, so heavy. Thank you. Oni! I think my lesson is better.
Welcome to New York.
Once a year trip in New York City.
We'll do once a year.
Oh, it's very strong.
Yeah, mine is like stronger than I thought.
Wow, my oyster. See you in 2025.
See you not too long.
Not too
Let's not wait a year.
Arrive in New Jersey and heading back right now. It's really cold today. Have so much fun. Nice to you.
I took the wrong train, so I was a little late, but
Really? Oh my god, you're so cute. Never had that. Look how sesame is melting. The dessert. We're going to the subway station right now. So nice meeting you. My little baby. Oh my god. this like moment. Hi. This is my new toy. Seriously.
Oh my god.
This is my new toy. Guys, everyone's like so busy working and studying. I have no idea. Where should we go, Chloe?
Wait, I never
This
had
is
a person
this is a wait, really?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna be like a video filmer today. No spot. Finally, we have a sit. Finally. It took a while. Yeah.
Wait, you should go to the Union Square market right there.
I check it out. It's like
Really?
I think it's okay then. Yeah, it's not too.
I love Union Square color.
Really?
It's just so much bigger. And there's more like warm food.
Next year.
Yes.
25. I'm going to Korea literally like after you leave. I'm going like
that we don't like.
I want to call analysis seriously. You know, like in Seoul. That's
Oh
like
my god.
the thing I want to do. And like health scalp treatments again. We should do that.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, there's so many people waiting in line for Joe's Pizza. So popular. Guys, I finally found the Byron Park. This is crazy, I got lost because of Google Maps. I'm so mad at it. So cold right now and I'm just checking the Byron Park, like some holiday shops here. The smell is really good. Coming to the hot pot space, Chengdu hot pot. Guys, I just arrived Brooklyn. It's so different than I thought. It's so cold right now, oh my god. And I'm taking the train right now back to New Jersey. And it's like 11 p.m. We have so many oysters, and then I got like one drink. And the restaurant was really good, and I highly recommend it.